Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
LG is a South Korean multinational electronics company manufacturing products from air conditioners and TVs to washing machines and refrigerators. Some washing machines are said to be made in China, while some air conditioners are stated to be made in South Korea.
Make your mark, take our lead.
LG Electronics is one of the topmost non-Chinese TV brands. It is a South Korean multinational electronics company. The company's headquarters is based in Yeouido-dong, Seoul, South Korea. There are various types of LG TVs like LED, OLED and plasma televisions.
Let's help you make your mark.
Washing machines made by Samsung are leading the market with advanced innovative features and high energy efficiency, therefore have gained huge popularity in China, and making it one of the top washing machine brands in China.
Let's help you make your mark.
LG Electronics USA, Inc. About LG Electronics USA. LG Tennessee in Clarksville is part of LG Electronics USA, Inc., based in Englewood Cliffs, NJ. The North American subsidiary of LG Electronics, Inc., a $53 billion global innovator in technology and manufacturing.
Take our lead.
LG Electronics to build U.S. factory for home appliances in Tennessee. Nashville, Tennessee, Feb. LG's new Tennessee facility is expected to be the world's most advanced production plant for washing machines. Starting in 2019, the factory will initially produce front and top-load washing machines.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.